How to fix settings app not opening in Samsung. So if you're not being able to open up the settings application on your Samsung or any other Android devices, then it's the same thing. What you need to do is you need to simply tap and hold on to that settings. And if you're not being able to open the settings, or if you're not being able to tap and open that settings, then what you need to do is you need to go back and then you need to go for your files. You will have your files manager or files. You need to simply tap on files, and under your files, if you have heavy files, like you can go for your apps, and under your apps you will have the large applications, right? Go for the large applications, and under large applications you need to simply choose any application that you are not using right now and go for the right side, which has that three dots, and then you need to uninstall the application that you are not using. So if you have your space full under your Android devices, then you'll not be able to open up some applications. So simply check if your storage is not full, and once you've deleted something, now what you need to do is you need to go back and you need to restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply go for your Play Store, and under your Play Store you need to search for digital well-being. And under your digital well-being, if you have any updates under your digital well-being, then you need to simply update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove that. And then if your settings are not being opened, then you can have this option, which is you need to simply tap and hold on to that settings application, and then you will have app info. Tap on the app info and go for storage and cache, go for the clear cache. And if you have clear storage option, go for the clear storage and clear your storage and cache under your settings. Once you've done, now you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix settings applications not opening in your Samsung or any other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.